To sync mode between your Galaxy Watch and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting, tap mode, and then tap the gray on off switch next to sync mode with phone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, we will enable sleep mode on this phone. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using 2 fingers to open up the quick panel. Find mode button and then tap it. Next, select sleep. As you can see, when you start a mode in your phone, your watch will also start the selected mode. However, it will also work the opposite. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.